Welcome to Samaya Living YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Khatri. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple and effective exercise for your neck, shoulder and back pain. You have to do only one action for 10 minutes. The speed of this action depends on you. So just listen to your body and do the exercise. Do not try to overstretch or overdo it in a go. Whenever you feel like taking rest, just take rest and then continue. Remember, be conscious of every move that you take so that you'll get more faster result. So try to do this simple exercise for 10 minutes. Whenever you feel like taking rest, just take rest and adjust the speed as per your body. And after a few practices only, you will vast improvement into your neck, shoulder and back pain. So now let's get started. So there you have it. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button down below. Do share this video with everyone who might find it useful. Comment down below the topics that you want to see in the future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.